Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize fonts with TypeCraft in Canva. Again, it's the Canva free version, so all of you can just do it the same way I'm doing it. So it's quite easy. As you know, on the left hand side you have the apps button in Canva, and you just search for TypeCraft, and then you click on the app. And what you can see here now is in TypeCraft you can adjust the font in a pretty cool way. So for example, here they wrote TypeCraft 1, 2, 2, 3, but we also can write something like Low Code Lab. Then we choose a font. They have a lot of fonts here, for example this one, and then we decide we want to adjust it vertical, and now we can play around with the font. For example, if we decide that's the one, we just click on add element to design, and now we added it to the design. It's really cool thing to play around with. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a bit more about Canva and how to use TypeCraft. Thank you so much.